Hey, Bob Carr here for TLC. We're heading out to a install in Bowie, Maryland today. We're going to install an entire lawn sprinkler system for a client for his entire yard. That's all his flower beds, all the turf. It's a large site, but we're going to put two install teams, a total of 18 men and women on this install. Come along with us. We're going to show you how this is done. Hey, we're getting underway here. Guys are moving mulch, digging in the shrub beds here, getting this prepped up and ready. There's Felix using a wire tracker to find underground cables. This utility hadn't shown up yet, so we're going to check this out ourselves while we're waiting. We're going to dig deeper here to find this PVC pipe under the walkway to the front door to get the water to the shrubs and the flowers. With two full install crews on this site, we'll use our vibratory plows. This job will move along very, very quickly. The plumbing is complete here, located in the front flower beds. Out here talking to Mr. Austin, I installed his first system for him in another section of Bowie probably 20 years ago. And him and I both being small business owners, we bonded quickly back then, and when we reunited on this project, it was like old days. Wrapping things up here now as we put together the last manifold in the backyard, and we're going to be beginning cleaning up, get this yard back in shape and the way we found it. As I said before, these new rain sensors have incredible range, up to 750 feet. Take a look here at the rotors and the sprays. We're getting this all adjusted. It's really going to look sharp. Hey, Bob Carr here again. Just to let you know, we're just finished up this brand new 19 zone, complete, all the yard, all the lawn, all the yard, all the shrubs, complete system. It's got a brand new Hunter Pro C controller, wireless rain sensor, all the heads, all the valves, all the plumbing, complete in one day. It was a team of 18 TLC employees, men and women. We knocked this out one day. We'll talk to you soon in the next video.